Hello. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the EA Indicator Forex free channel. We will review EA Panda Hedging and how to install the file. Please watch to the end. Panda Hedging strategy. Due to the high volatility of the Forex market, traders have often been forced to develop new methods and techniques in order to limit losses and maximize profits. Hedging has emerged as one of the most effective strategies and tactics for optimizing the chances of winning among the various strategies and tactics employed. Hedging can be thought of as a type of insurance in the Forex markets. But there are moments of deviation, divergence of currencies, from the normal value. That is why we decided to create our own Panda Hedging automated trading tactics, which will include both elements of hedging trading, using the grid trading algorithm, and a secure system with a high level of deposit protection. All additional orders are opened with a fixed same lot size, without using lot multiplication, Martingale. If the price starts to go against the order, the advisor will begin to open additional orders according to the author's algorithm, up to a maximum of 10 orders for each instrument in the pair. EA instructions for use. 1. Used CAD time frame M1. 2. 1000 USD 1500 used CAD used NUC 0.02 lots August used NUC 0.01 lots. 3. Please use the correct settings file. 1. Recommend use low spread accounts. 2. Before you buy, please check if your broker supports the trading currency used NUC. And leverage used NUC. If cannot trading used NUC, don't buy. Okay. That's a short review. And we continue the installation method. Please see the video in detail. Copy DLL files in terminal. Before copying files, please turn off the antivirus on your PC or laptop computer. Then we put it in the MT5 root folder file that we want to install the Panda Hedging MT5 VA.
With my head again, you had your heart set on me, but this feels like come and go.
DLL files in terminal already installed. Okay, let's continue to install the file so that it doesn't update the MT5 version. Please watch the video.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start sliding.
Okay. Enough of that, first review how to install EA Panda Hedging. Please test yourself. Hope it's useful. Wassalamu alaikum.